Let me ask you something. When I say fishing, do you think about sitting on the side of a lazy river trying to catch a tasty fish? Or do you think about cybercrime and the cyber criminals working to try and get their hands on your tasty bank details? Phishing is one of the most common types of cyber attack, and I can guarantee that if you've got an email account, you've received a phishing email. So what is phishing? Well, it's actually really simple. A phishing email comes from a cyber criminal who masquerades as somebody you know to try and get their hands on your personal details. Sneaky, right? But for the cyber criminals, the rewards are potentially huge. Let's say you get an email from the bank asking you to change your password. The email certainly looks real, the address it came from looks real, and the link in the email also looks real. You click on the link and the website it takes you to looks real. If you then enter your details, the cyber criminals have all they need to get into your bank pretty quick, and I can guarantee they'll empty it even quicker. We can help to prepare you and your team by providing the tools and the knowledge you need to spot, react to, and stay safe from cyber threats. We can help you become cyber wise.